Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a turkey brine. Yes, a turkey brine. So say goodbye to all that dry turkey and dry Thanksgiving. Because today is the day that you learn how to make a nice, juicy turkey. Turkey brine. Now, I like to soak my turkey in a brine for 2 full days. You could do it 1 full day. It's up to you. I like to always go the extra mile. But 1 day soaking in a brine, a full 24 hours should be perfect if you want to do that. So, a basic brine would be, you always start with a gallon of water. You always can add, you always take away. But I like to start with a gallon of water. Okay, a basic brine is 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup salt in your water. But we're going to kick it up. So, you get your water, 3/4 cups, sugar and salt. You have your salt and sugar in your water. You take your pot over to the stove. Heat the water up just enough so the sugar and salt dissolve. And while that's heating up, we're going to get to chopping. The salt and the sugar are dissolved. You got your garlic. 5 cloves, just smash them. Okay? Boom. There's no need to chop the garlic. You just smash it, maybe just chop it in half. Like, that's what I'm going to do. Hey, I had to go in the basement to get my container. I like to brine my turkey in here. You can brine it in a big pot if you got a bigger pot than that, or it depends on the size of your bird. As I chop stuff, I'll just throw it in here. Boom, that's it. The deal, I'm just going to run my knife through it. Throw that in there, huh? Bay leaf, I'm going to put 2. The oregano, just take it right off. Take it right off, throw it right in there. It's up to you how much you want to do. I'm going to throw a little more oregano in there. Okay? Put that aside. I'm going to grab my cilantro. Okay? And what I'm going to do with the cilantro, I'm just going to, boom, cut it like that. Just throw the top in. You got your cilantro in there so far. You got your garlic, your bay leaves, your oregano. Next, I'm going to put my onion. Nothing special with the onion. Cut the root off. You're just going to run your knife through it. Throw it in. Next, we're going to do carrots. You want to make sure you clean them up before you cut them. I like your song. Mach 22, guys. Mach 22. Mach 22. They're playing at the brewery on State Road, December 14th. Broken Goblet. Broken Goblet. They're playing, look it up. Mach 22. They're playing at the Broken Goblet. December 14th. The Meatball's going to be there. Hope to see you guys there. It'll be great. You should go buy me a drink. But yeah, Broken Goblet Brewery. So, same thing with the, same thing with this. Doesn't have to be pretty. Just chop them up. It's only for flavor. The 2 nice sized carrots. If they're small, you could do 3. You know, whatever fancies your fancer. You know what I mean? Hair dancer, hair prancer. I'm gonna grab my scissors here, like I'm at the garden. I'm gonna cut some of my basil off here. I don't like to peel it. I like to cut it because it stays longer. I don't know why. It just does. Yeah. You want to cut it? Make you feel good? You want to cut it? Cut it. If Italy had an ice hockey team, they would call it Sicily's basil leaves. Kind of like the Toronto Maple Leafs, Sicily's basil leaves. kill me. We have our basil in here. We have our onions. We have our cilantro. We have our oregano. We have our bay leaves. We have our garlic. Now, one more thing. My favorite part, the celery. I would say maybe just 3 stalks. 3 stalks will do it. Chop the top off. Chop the bottom off. Of course, it's already rinsed, right? Just run your knife through it. And throw it right in here. We have pretty much everything we want in here. Pepper, I'm going to put a nice big pinch. Look at that. Throw the pepper in it. Don't be afraid. If you want to put cracked pepper in there, you put cracked pepper. Whatever you want to do. Whatever makes you happy. This is you. This is what you're going to do. You're going to be your tradition. This is how your turkey's going to taste. Boom. Don't just do your regular brine. You want to kick it up. It's a special day. It's Thanksgiving. You got family coming over. And even if you don't got family coming over, if you're going to make a turkey, make it good. You know what I'm saying? I eat so much turkey, I put myself into a turkey coma. You know what I mean? But I save some room for pie. That's right, pie. I'm going to save myself room for 2 pies. But I'm not going to pay $2 for 2 pies. Because it's homemade pie. Now, you got your kicked up vegetables for your kicked up brine. You got your salt water with the sugar. Now, here's some ice. I like to cool it off with ice. You can use cold water, whatever you want to do. I prefer ice. Just pour it in. Pour that right in. Now, if you're going to throw your turkey right in, you want to cool it off. Throw some ice. Let the ice melt. Like I said, guys, you can do it in a big pot. Anything that will hold your turkey and the brine itself. You want to cover it for 2 days and stick it in the refrigerator. You want it nice and cooled off. You don't want to put your turkey in a hot brine. Okay? Now, before you even put your turkey in there, be sure to clean your turkey good. Okay? And soak it for about 15 minutes in salt water. You put your turkey in here, cover it, make sure it stays submerged. If not, get a bowl, turn it upside down to hold your turkey down. Okay? Guys, I'm telling you, try this brine. You're going to love it, guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit like. And email me your address, guys. I want to send you a Cook 'em a Frankie Meatball sticker. Also, we have shirts, guys. We have shirts. Go to my Facebook page. The link is on my Facebook page. Please buy a shirt. Holiday special, $17.99. I'm telling you guys, look at these shirts. They are beautiful. Grab a shirt, guys. Also, holidays are here. Christmas is around the corner. Go to Wilmax.com. Grab yourself a set of bones. Grab yourself a set of dishes. Hey, you know what? Just get us all a bumper shaker if that's what you want. I'm telling you, check out their website, guys.